Today we're diving into one of the biggest health decisions Australians face. Should you go public, private, or both for health insurance in 2025? With policy updates, rising premiums, and hospital wait times changing post-COVID, let's break it all down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your experience with Australia's healthcare system in the comments below. Section 1. The basics. In Australia, we've got a dual system. On one side, Medicare, our public healthcare system. On the other, private health insurance, offered by dozens of funds like Bupa, Medibank, and HCF. Medicare covers most GP visits, emergency treatments, and hospital care in public facilities. But private insurance offers perks, like shorter wait times and your choice of doctor. Section 2. What's changed in 2025? So what's new in 2025? Increased Medicare rebates for GPs. Private premiums up by 3.8% on average. Public hospital wait times slightly improved, but still long for elective surgeries. While Medicare's gotten a boost in GP coverage, elective surgery wait times, especially for things like knee replacements, still drag on. That's where private cover is shining in 2025. Section 3. Pros and cons. Let's compare. Public insurance. Free or low-cost GP and hospital care. Long wait times for non-urgent procedures. Limited choice of specialists. Private insurance. Shorter wait times. Access to private hospitals and your choice of doctor. Monthly premiums. Possible out-of-pocket costs even after rebates. Section 4. Who should consider what? Here's a quick guide for 2025. Young and healthy. Stick with Medicare plus ambulance cover. Only consider private if you want extras like dental or physio. Families. Consider combined hospital plus extras cover. Fast-track care for kids when needed. Older Australians. Private may help avoid long surgery delays. But be mindful of rising premiums with age. Section 5. Final verdict. In 2025, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you can afford it, private cover gives you faster access and more flexibility. But for many Aussies, Medicare still provides world-class care, for free or at low cost. Ultimately, it's about your needs, your health, and your budget. Talk to your GP, compare plans, and make sure you're not paying for extras you don't use. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comments, and check out our next video where we break down the best value private health funds in 2025. See you soon.